Hello everyone. We are a group of 5 students from Kelkar College studying in SYBA, and this is our social psychology assignment. In our assignment, Similarity and Attractiveness, we have explained our subtopics with some fun examples in this video. Keep watching.
Remember the first day of college when you are new and unfamiliar with the environment, and then suddenly someone offers you a seat. Before you know it, you guys are bonding over similar interests and become best friends. Let's take example of Rahul and Anjali. If Rahul shares similar interests with Anjali based on movies, TV shows, political ideologies, etc., then it's a lot easier for them to be friends. This stresses on the point that similarity creates attraction and the people with similar interests bond better. The rule of opposite attracts is an exception to a men and women's intimate relationship. Otherwise, being similar, not complementarily, seems to be the basis of attraction across many kinds of situations and relationships.
Did you know that similarity created positive feelings while dissimilarity created a negative feeling? This is commonly known as the similarity dissimilarity effect. Let's take Jay and Viru for example. The reason they were so happy around each other was because they shared similarities like singing songs and pulling pranks that created positive feelings. Imagine if Jay happened to be a cold hearted and strict person. It would create negative feelings for Viru as they would have highly dissimilar interests. This would force Viru to be friends with Thakur or even Gabbar. To sum it up, people prefer others who are similar to themselves rather than those who are dissimilar.
If given an option, would we date someone who's highly physically attractive or someone who's moderately physically attractive? A lot of us would go for the former option, that is, someone who's highly physically attractive, right? But what we don't know is that dating someone who's highly physically attractive has its own flaws. According to matching hypothesis, even though we fantasize about dating highly attractive people, we tend to settle down for someone who is within our range of attractiveness. Example, highly attractive celebrity couples end up dating each other. Another everyday example could be two simple and moderately attractive couples dating each other. Now, as shallow as it may sound, physical attraction is a very important part in a relationship.